What's up, guys? We're here on JPM. We are doing group break number 4 of Pristine, JPM exclusive number 115. We are going to go live at 6:42. 6:42 here in Denver. We got, oh, I'm going to switch those around. Wait. I got teams in both those. There we go. Now I'm going to go get the names. We got Mr. Bolmster on top and Grant on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. No spaces in between. We should have 30. And then we got all the teams in here minus Vegas. 3 times on each. Good luck, everybody. That's from the previous break. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Mika on top. And Samich on the bottom. There we go. And teams. 1, 2, and good luck, everybody. 3. Carolina on top. And Edmonton on the bottom. I will scroll through the teams real quick. And there you guys have it.